Hello guys, how are we doing today? How's everyone's night? You know, I'm pretty good. So, what made you click on this video, you might ask? Well, you saw the title, yes, I am doing a flood escape today. And, so what this is, it's basically a giant, I guess I'll say retired. It's a giant retired volcano. I don't know if this used to be a volcano, but it's like kind of a giant pit. Like, just all goes down. Just a giant hole in the ground or whatever. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing a flood escape. And as you can see over here, it brings you to the menu. There is very easy, normal, um, eh, like, this is where it starts to get hard. Like, you got impossible, extreme, very hard, but you guys get the point. So, what I'm doing today is I have this nice old ETK. I actually really like this car, it looks really good. But I'm going to go up this road, I'm going to go vroom, 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 fast, and there's going to be a flood behind me that's going to say, hey, 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 I'ma get you, I'ma get you, come here. I'm joking, it's not going to say that, but there's going to be a flood chasing me. So, why don't we get started? By the way, I will be playing some music. It is not copyrighted. I'm just letting you know, it's not copyrighted. It, it's not gonna be too loud. I guess I can raise the volume a little bit. I guess that's good. Well, let's get started. Never mind. A little too loud. Sorry, guys. Okay. And go. The flood had to be that mean. If I hadn't like crashed over there or spun out, I probably would have made it. Alright. Well, that was great. Okay. I feel like we can make that. Like, this is very easy. 125. Or, sorry, not 125. Easy. 175. This would be too hard. Alright, I'm gonna give it another shot. If I can't make it, I'm going to do very easy and work my way up. Maybe I should just put something that makes this car a little faster. I don't know. Anyway, well, I'll just start the flood and try again. I'm out. I'm gonna go as fast as I can, bro. Come on. Alright. This is how fast I'm going for this tournament. Darn it! That's not good. I'm sorry, but I just cannot restart. I feel like I'm... I don't even know if I'll make it up here, guys. This road is terrible. Oh my god, I hate myself. Oh my god, that was a close one. Did you guys see that? That was insane. Bro, the flood was right there. Oh, this is where I spun out last time. Still spinning. Let's go. I'm him. Oh no, the flood's gonna get me up here again. Oh, come on. Jeez, dude, I don't know what to do. I'm getting so close. Oh, darn. Jeez, I'm sorry about this, guys. Okay. Well. This is really difficult. More difficult than I thought. Okay. Since I can't make it, I feel like my car can go fast enough. I think I'm just gonna put the flood. Set flood speed to 1.25. Alright, I'm going. Oh shoot, I know the song. Okay, never mind. I'm restarting. too early to be out yet. Spawn over here, please. I'm gonna die. Sorry about this, guys. Having technical difficulties. Yep, I'm dead. Man, it's because I got stuck over there. Control V. Reset. Alright, this time I'm gonna try my hardest. I'm gonna put one upgrade in the car. Alright, let's see. Does this have a roll cage? No. Maybe I could just try and say skip plate. Skip plate would be helpful. Yeah, I'm just gonna change something in the engine real quick. Let's just stage 2 turbocharger. Let's do stage 3. I don't really see a difference so far. If anything, I'm kind of going slower. Are you serious right now? Alright, I'm sorry. It's too late to die. Sorry, not too late, huh? Too early. I ain't out the game yet. Don't worry. Just for that, I'll take off. I'll take off 15. So I'll take off a point for that. Take off another point for this one too. I'll probably be over here. I have to stop responding. This isn't good. Not good for content. Whoa, the flood is close. Again. It's because I've been crashing, jeez. I don't know what I have to do to make this. Like, I put it at the lowest setting. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Okay, so this time I cannot crash at all, and I mean it. If I don't make it on this one, I'm gonna give myself a head start. As fast as I can. Oh my god, I always do it on this turn. Or no, not that turn, sorry. Always at that pothole, no matter what. I swear I always go in. I never expect it. Oh my god, bro, I was literally paying attention to see if the bridge was coming up. Oh, screw me. Well, no matter what, I'm still not gonna make this bridge because I crashed. Nope, I'm not accepting it, bro. I'm sorry I have to cheat, but there's just no way I can ever make this bridge, and I'm sorry. I'm cheating. I went really far ahead. No. Alright, I lost. No point in trying. My car stalled, and it's in third gear, so I lost. Yet again. Alright, I'm going to try a different car, one that I think will have better handling. Oh, the wheels pop back up. Okay. If I don't make this one, I'm sorry. If I don't make this one, then I can't drive. I can't drive for nothing. Alright, this is the car I'm gonna use. Track. It's a manual too. Jeez, this thing goes fast. Is it just me or is anyone else hearing this song? Alright, bro, I crashed. Come on, you gotta cut me some slack, guys, please. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm sorry, I can't drive. Okay, I can't drive. For the people that actually watch this trash video, you didn't have to watch till the end, but thank you for doing it. Please, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.